This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan onion rings, so let's gather our ingredients and begin this delicious journey. Start by slicing 2 large onions into 1/2-inch thick rings. Separate them gently. Prepare your dry station with 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This foundation sets the stage for perfectly crispy results. Now, let's create our luscious batter by combining the flour, cornstarch, and baking powder in a mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of unsweetened plant-based milk with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Aim for a thick, pancake-like consistency that clings beautifully to the onions. With your batter ready, it is time to coat our onion rings for maximum crispiness. First, dip each individual onion ring into the batter, ensuring it is fully submerged and coated on all sides. Gently lift the ring, allowing any excess batter to drip back into the bowl for a cleaner finish. Immediately transfer the battered ring into the panko breadcrumbs, pressing lightly to ensure a generous, even layer adheres. Now for the exciting part, frying our vegan onion rings to perfection. Heat at least 3 inches of a neutral oil, such as canola or peanut oil, in a deep, heavy-bottomed pot. Wait for the oil to reach 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer for accuracy. Fry the coated rings in small batches for about 2 to 3 minutes each, turning them occasionally. They should be beautifully golden brown and irresistibly crispy when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.